Happy Wednesday. I want to share some valuable advice for homeowners. If you are in a pinch, and this is the best advice I've ever heard. If you're in a pinch and you know you can't afford your home anymore, sell it. If you can't afford the repairs, if you can't afford to make the payment, sell it. Sell it before it ruins your credit. Sell it before you can't get nothing out of it. That's the best advice I was ever given, and I took it. My home needed a lot of repairs, and it needed to be fixed to be lived in. And I was like, I can't afford this. So that's what I did. I sold my home this year. Thank me later.